Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. I am so glad to be back. This video is in collaboration with some wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and it is hosted by my friend Joy from Organized with Joy. So be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist of everybody else that's going to be participating in today's video. Be sure you do that, okay? So I'm going to try and show you guys everything that I've been decluttering for the past couple of months, because I've been away for about that long and I've been decluttering things, you know. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Alright people, let's do an overview of all these items that I'm going to be either selling or donating. I will say the majority of them I will be donating. My church has a store, and they're going to be giving these the proceeds are going to go to missions. So with donating these items that will be used in the store, it will help with funding our missions at church. And so anyway, a lot of these items, especially the housing items, I'm going to be donating to my church. Some items I will be selling, like for example, I'm going to try and sell these watches here. Now, I don't know how long you guys have been watching me, but some time ago I had a video. It's a running joke. My husband loves watches. He used to at one time own 8 watches. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 watches here. And another one I gave to my son because it's a WWE watch and he loves WWE. So I gave that to him. But these watches here, I'm going to try and sell those. They're really nice watches. This is a Liz Claiborne watch. Liz Claiborne watch. I don't remember the name of that one. This one is a Tommy Hilfiger watch, and I don't remember the name of the other one. But anyway, I noticed too that people really don't wear watches like they use their phones. And that's, for the most part, is what's happening with my husband. So he gave those to me so that I can either sell them or donate them. Now, this pack of washable markers here, I just don't need them. I bought them and I don't need them. I think I've had them for a few months now, and I just don't serve, they won't serve purpose for me at all. So I'm just gonna let them go. This electrical cord here, I don't even know what it goes to. I couldn't tell you guys, but yeah, this is going to be something that I'm going to let go. Then we have this here speaker. You can use this in the shower. I can't remember why I ended up having this. I think it came with something, but anyway, I haven't used it. I think I've had it for a year or so, and so I'm going to let that go. Then we have this cup here. It used to be my husband's, and he said that I could donate this cup, so we're going to donate that. These painting trays here, I have 2 of them. One you can see is still in its package. I have had these for years, and it's not like I haven't did some painting projects, but in the process I just never used these trays, so I'm going to let these go. Then this here, although it is pretty, the vase or vase, whichever way you want to pronounce it, and the beautiful pink flowers, I don't need it. My baby girl, she bought those home, and I don't know why she did that, but she did. But anyway, I don't need that. I'm going to have to let that go. These items here, we have these 2 wood, I don't even know what I want to call these. Anyway, this wood here, I had this for a project, and I think I did the project some years ago. I don't know what I'm holding on to those for, but that's what happens. You keep thinking, you had a mindset of, maybe I'll use it one day, and that day never comes. Anyway, moving on, I have these items here that I've used for different projects, and I just no longer need those either. Same thing. It was years ago when I did the projects, and I kept thinking that maybe I'll use them for another project. It never happened. So I'm going to I let those items go as well. Then I have this item here. Now this is, okay. Then I have this item here. I like to use this for my, I won't say my iPad because I don't have one. My Amazon tablet. Yeah, that's what I would use it for. But my tablet no longer works. And this doesn't really, you really don't use it for anything else. So I'm going to be letting this go. Then as you can see, I have these flowers here. So before spring began, I went through all my spring decorations and I just was looking like, no, I don't even use some of these items and I won't be using them. So it is time to say bye-bye. So as you can see, these real pretty. Even these too. I got some of these items from Hobby Lobby years ago. Same thing. I just need to let them go. I have two of those things too. Pretty, but someone else can use them because I'm not using them and they're just collecting dust. Then we have this mountain of spring, summer, and winter clothing. So let's go through that quickly, okay? Okay, everybody, so I'm just going to share with you some of the clothing that I am getting rid of. It is quite a few things. So let's start off with the first item here. This first item is a robe from my hubby. He replaced it with a newer robe. So anyway, he's letting that go. Next item are these, ooh, I don't know what you call these, capris. That's what they're called. Yes, too small, so gotta let those go. Next item here is a top. Although it's all cute with the little flare there and all this, but it's just not my style anymore. I found myself not reaching for this. And I have another one, a blue one as well. So both of them, I'm going to be donating them. Then I have this top here. Ooh, why am I donating this top? I'm looking at this now. I'm like, what? I don't think, oh, I'm not donating it. It's because of the stain right there. This I will be tossing, not donating, people. All right, so my next item here is this sweater. I've had it for about a year and it's nice, especially because I love like that backing there, you see, with the crisscross applesauce. But yeah, it's not working for me, so I'll let someone else have this and they can use it. So this pretty dress right here, although it's really pretty, it's not what I wanted. It's actually is the length that's the problem for me. I bought a dress that is similar to this, but it's just shorter this year from Old Navy. That is the store. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. Anyway, Old Navy, I love Old Navy. If you like Old Navy, comment down in the comment section. Anyway, this though, I believe I got this from Myers from last year before I went on my trip with my hubby to the tiny house in Nashville, Tennessee. Anyway, so anyway, how many times have I said that word? I'm going to let this go and donate this. Next thing is, these are getting a little smaller for me. So although I love my leggings, they even had a little pockets on the side, but I'm going to donate these. Then I'm going to let these go, these shorts here with the camouflage. These were from Old Navy too, but I don't like this anymore, so I'm going to let them go. Then I have a dress here that I purchased from Old Navy last year. And I love the color, of course, but I don't like the way it looks on me. So I'm like, ooh, girl, you need to let that go. So I'm going to be letting this go. Same thing, I have some leggings here. One thing I love is those pockets on the side for my cell phone, but don't like the color any longer, so I'm letting these go. Then I'm a 1967 baby. Not too many people like to tell that, but yes, your girl will be 56 years old in July, coming up soon, Lord willing. But this top here, it was my hubby's, and then he gave it to me, and it was just too big for me. So I was like, okay. I kept it for a couple of months, and I was like, I just don't like this top. So I loved it. It says 1967, born and raised, you know, made in 1967. I love that. I just don't like the size. Is just way too big for me. It's too big. Then I have some shorts. I told you I went through my winter and my summer and spring things, and they're too small. The girl didn't gain some weight. Yes, she did. I can't even blame it on COVID either, because that was 3 years ago. So, you know, this dress here, although I love the pattern, I love that it is long enough. You know, being a tall girl, I'm 5'10", and these dresses, they are wonderful when they are all the way down to the floor, such as this, full length. But I don't like the way it looks on me anymore, so I'm going to let this go. And I think I only paid, what did I pay, like $5 for this at a secondhand store. But anyway, I digress. I'm going to let this go. Last top here is my Grace Women's top. If you don't know, I am a part of a ministry at our church. And so anyway, our church is Grace Community Church in Detroit, Michigan, even though I don't stay in Detroit, but that is where our church is based. So this is one of the tops that I usually use, and it is too small. I need to purchase another one, and it's just not working for me anymore, so it goes too. Okay, so next thing here is a leotard that I am going to be letting go. I haven't did dance in quite some time. I think I used to attend as a student at Wayne State University in Detroit, Michigan. And anyway, I had dance at that time, and it's been some years. I would say at least 10 or 12 years. And I still had a leotard, and I have not been dancing in a dance class since then. So I just don't even know why I still have this. I guess I figured, you know, maybe I'll go back to dance. No, I didn't go back to dance. Then I have this other top here. It is so cute. I got this from a women's retreat that I went on. Arise and shine. It says Joshua, no. It says Isaiah 61-2. Arise and shine, it says. So anyway, real life people. So the dryer is just going off. It's just going off. Next top here is my Western Michigan top. I love my Western Michigan, but it is too small and I need to purchase another one, so I'm going to let this go. Alright, so the last things are the socks here that I'm going to be getting rid of. And I have 14 pairs of socks here, so those are going to be donated as well. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, seeing everything that I have decluttered from the past couple of months that I was away, because I decluttered a lot of stuff, as you guys can see. Anyway, be sure to check out Joy's channel. Wonderful channel, wonderful lady. Be sure to check out her channel, as well as the playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because I love when you guys do that. Talk to me in the comments, people, because I love hearing from you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.